Section 1, aptly titled Short Title, Extent and Commencement, sets the stage. It declares the name by which the legislation is formally known, specifies the geographic extent of its applicability, and states when the law comes into effect. Moving to Section 2, labeled Exception, this part carves out specific scenarios or entities that the legislation does not apply to, ensuring clarity and preventing potential overreach. Section 3, Definitions, serves as the glossary for the terms used throughout the legislation. This section ensures that all parties understand exactly what is referred to by terms like arms, ammunition, or license. Transitioning to the rules surrounding commercial activities, Section 4 prohibits the unlicensed sale and repair of arms. This ensures that only qualified and authorized individuals handle arms transactions and maintenance, a critical point in preventing illegal arms circulation. Chapter 3 is pivotal as it addresses the mobility of arms. Section 5 grants authorities the power to prohibit the transport of arms under specified conditions, a preventive measure designed to curb illegal arms flow. Section 6 enables the establishment of searching posts. These checkpoints are instrumental in enforcing the transport rules laid out in the previous section. Lastly, Section 7 addresses the arrest of persons found conveying arms under suspicious circumstances. This section underscores the proactive measures law enforcement can take to ensure public safety. In the final chapter, we examine personal conduct concerning arms. Section 8 prohibits going armed without a license, directly addressing public safety concerns by restricting armed presence to licensed individuals. Section 9 expands on this by prohibiting the unlicensed possession of arms. This section is crucial in ensuring that all arms are accounted for and legally held. Concluding the chapter, Section 10 mandates that in certain situations, arms must be deposited either at a police station or with licensed dealers. This provision helps in emergency or volatile situations to prevent misuse.